Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock NBA 2K24 SGA Fashion Tips Quest. So how you can do this, as you can see, it says to unlock the NBA 2K24 SGA Fashion Tips Quest, players can try a few different methods. For some, the quest naturally appeared as they played games in MyCareer. The quest could be connected to fans, so do not expect to unlock it until you approach the playoffs or play around 20 games. Other players did not get the SGA Fashion Tip Quest until they defeated all 8 bosses at Sunset Park. In fact, some fans even had to defeat the 8 bosses at the point as well to get the quest. If none of these methods work, try to then complete the weekly street ball challenge to unlock the SGA Fashion Tips quest. So yes, now you know how to do this. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.